How to verify support email address on Freshdesk. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can verify support email address on Freshdesk. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to sign in into your Freshdesk account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the Freshdesk dashboard automatically. So on this page, by the left side of the screen, you will see a menu displaying options like dashboard, tickets, companies, contacts, solutions, forums, and then admin. When you see, you just select the admin section. Then on the admin sections page, by the left side, you'll see recent, Freddy, team, channels, workflows, account productivity. Ensure you select channels. After selecting channels, you revert to the channels page. On this page, you'll see portals, email, Facebook, phone, etc. The next step to do is to click on email. So once you click on email, you will see the right top which says email servers. Next to it, you'll see advanced settings, new support email. Then the next step is to click on verify. Currently, mine is already verified. That is why it's showing this. Okay. But for you, since you're trying to verify your support email, just you'll see the verify option. Yeah. Just go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, if you are using a custom email server, Freshdesk will send an activation link to your mailbox. Click on the link to activate and verify your account. And then just like that, your account would be verified. Once the verification is complete, the verify button will turn green, just like mine has done here, which indicates that your support email is verified and ready to create tickets in Freshdesk. So ensure you try this out, okay? Thanks for watching and have a good